Good morning, children. I'm Junakie Biswas, and today I'm going to continue on with the remaining part of the chapter 2 in computer GUI operating system desktop management. Now, today I'll teach you to customize the desktop. We can customize the desktop by changing the color scheme of the computer screen by following the given steps. In step 1, give a right click in the blank area and select the personalize option from the list. You see the box will open when you give a right click. This box will open and you select the personalize option. In step 2, click the color option in the left pane. In the left pane, you click the color option here. You can see the color option in the left pane. After that, select any color from choose Windows color. Under the choose your color section, select any color from here. You select any color from here. From choose your color section, the right pane. The color scheme of the start menu and other windows will change accordingly. In the step 4, you will see the preview. In the step 4, you will see the preview of the selected color in the color section. You can see the preview of the color you have selected. If you don't like the color, you can select any color from the choose color option. In step 5, activate the desired option from the list. Activate the desired option from the list by clicking on the show the accent color on the following surfaces. More options section. The color of the start task bar, action center and the title bar will change accordingly. When you activate your color, when you activate the desired option by clicking the show accent color, on the following surfaces, the color of the start taskbar, action center and title bar will change accordingly. In step 6, you can activate or deactivate the transparency effect in more options section. You can activate or deactivate the transparency effect by clicking on it. If you click on it, will give the transparency effect. If you click it off, it will deactivate the transparency effect. Next, come across customizing the Windows setup. We can customize the Windows setup by making changes in the date and time and by setting the volume of the speaker. We can customize it by following these steps. To change the date and time, we have to follow these steps. First, we have to click the start button. You go to the start button, click it here, then select the Windows system and then click the control panel. When you click on the control panel, you can also simply click on the control panel by going to the search button and type control panel and click the enter key. After that, you click on the date and time option in the control panel. When you click the date and time option in the control panel, this date and the time dialog box opens. Here you can see the clock. You can change the date here, and here you can change the time. Changing the date. In order to change the date and time button, you have to click it and you will see the date and the time setting dialog box will appear. This date and time setting dialog box appears. In this, you see there's a calendar live thing. And there are 2 arrows here. If you click the arrow here, the month of August will change into September. It will go ahead. If you click on the left side of the arrow, the August will go forward direction. It will go to July. So as per the month, you can click it and then you can choose the date from here. Select the date and click it. The date will be selected. Now come to the time option. You can select the time here. The clock is given here. And here you see there's a box in which the time is given in hours, seconds and minutes. This is 24-hour clock. And there's a button here. Now you select the time in the hours hand, and you can click the button to change the time. In this way you can do the same with the minute and the second hand. When you have done all the changes in the date and time, when you go down in that, you will find an OK button. If you click the OK button, whatever changes you have made in the date and the time, it will be changed accordingly. Now come across setting of volume speaker. Follow the steps to set the volume of the speaker. Click on the speaker icon in the notification area. A pop-up window, this is a pop-up window. A pop-up window will appear. Drag the slider. See children, this is a slider. You drag the slider to the right, the volume will increase. If you drag the slider to the left, the volume will decrease. In this way, you can increase or decrease the volume of the speaker. Using shortcut menu. The shortcut menu appears when you right click on the icon present on the desktop. This is called the context menu. This gives a quick access to different sets of commands. When the user right click on the blank area of the desktop, a list of options appears. When you give a right click on the desktop, blank area on the desktop, a list of options will appear like this. On selecting the personalize option, if you select the personalize option, various actions can be performed. Like you can change the desktop background, Windows color, lock screen, background, setting of the desktop, screensaver, and appearance of the icons on the menu. How the icons will appear in the small size, in the big size, all will change accordingly. You can change it. When the user right clicks on any icon on the desktop, if you right click on any icon on the desktop, a list of options will appear. On selecting the properties option, all the information related to the icon will be viewed. If you select the property option, all the information related to the icon will be viewed. This is given in this box. You see, if you select the property options, all this will be viewed. This much for today. I hope you all have understood the chapter. We will send you the exercises and question answers in the next class. Thank you.